Welcome. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to add a comment section to your WordPress website so your visitors can leave feedback and engage with your content in just a few minutes. First, open your web browser and head over to the WordPress homepage. Once there, click on the login button in the top right corner and sign in. For a faster experience, you can use the Continue with Google option and select your account. After logging in, you'll land on your dashboard, the central hub for managing your website. From here, locate the Quick Links section and click on Edit Site. This will open the site editor, which makes customizing your website intuitive and simple, even if you don't have technical experience. In the top left corner of the editor, you'll see a plus icon. This is where you can add new elements to your site. Click it, then type comment into the search bar. The search results will show the comment element, which allows visitors to leave their thoughts directly on your page. Click on the comment element to add it to your page. Instantly, a fully functional comment section appears, giving your visitors a space to interact and share feedback. Finally, don't forget to save your changes. Head to the top right corner, click the save button, and your comment section is live. And that's it. You now have a dynamic comment section on your WordPress site, ready to engage your audience and build community interaction. Thanks for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more WordPress tips.